Hello and welcome from Dusseldorf. This is Caravan Salon here. You can come to this event and see the latest in motorhome and campervan innovations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to a vehicle which has just been brought out, 620 centimeters long. It's on a Peugeot base. It's this thing here. It's called a CO3. It comes at a cost of around 77,710. It's 217 centimeters wide, only 217 centimeters. So this is really a little compact wonder in itself. And so what we can see, widthwise bed at the back, we've got storage at the back, window on either side. Okay, there's a ledge above it, not much use, but and on the other side as well. Okay, where do you sit up in bed? Well, it's a bit difficult, isn't it? You got to go in the corner or something like that. But the bed itself is pretty large, and not only that, it's sort of contoured as well. Not exactly contoured around the washroom, because the washroom's here. See that? There's the washroom. There's a space down there doing nothing, but that's the way things are. Electric point down there near the bed. Could do with a USB as well, but you can't have everything. Here we have a drawer which goes into the garage. We'll have a look at the garage in a moment. Steps up to the bed, easy access into the bed. Here we've got a relatively good wardrobe. I've also got storage below. Fridge, so it's a two-way fridge. Well, in fact, it's not the two-way fridge, is only one way actually, because I work off the battery, and then you use the shore power to charge the battery. So it's I don't know why they're called two-way fridges, but I didn't make the name up, so it's not my fault. Kitchen here, two burners, very modern look, and a sink. More electricity up here, and under the kitchen block, as you'd expect, there are drawers, which I can't open because it's because it's centrally locked, and it's centrally locked. You know where? Here. There you go. Nice deep drawers. I'm going to leave it open just in case somebody comes in and doesn't know it's centrally locked. In here we've got this washroom. It's a very large washroom, I think, for a vehicle of this size, and this is a false wall. You open it via this. This looks a bit dodgy, but anyway, that's the way it is. I suppose at least that'll probably be still working in 20 years time, whereas a magnet mightn't be, and that goes over to one side for your shower. I can feel there's a magnet that's actually holding it in position now. At least I think it's a magnet. So it's either that or it banged the toilet seat. It's one of the two. So I'll push this back up there like that. Space here for storing things in the washroom. Space for your towels. And that is a very, very nice washroom for a vehicle of this size. Here we have got, there's a table. We've got seating around the table. We have got up here storage, and it's deep. That's really good. Look how deep it is. You can put my arm in. It's got how far it goes. I really like this light as well. The fact that the skylights allows light to stream in. Two seats up front, and this is on a 6-speed Peugeot. Very, very nice. This light here, this window, sorry, doesn't open. And turn the lights on like that. Touch opening. This wins my award for the best compact van at Caravan Salon this year. In the door we've got a mosquito net, and you can turn lights on and off and think up there, as well as seeing how much electricity is in the vehicle and how much water is in the tank. Right, let's come around here. You've got, look at this enormous garage here as well. You've got batteries under there. Obviously you'd probably want to take them premium batteries out and put some lithium batteries in. Electricity down there. This cat will take 150 in the garage. This is a spare bed, and it sort of goes in there with other stuff to make a spare bed. Get rid of it, not necessary. Get a pneumatic mattress, that will work far better. That's what it looks like from the rear camera, absolutely essential in my opinion. And we've got another door at this side which is exactly the same size, so you've got easy access from both sides. There's your sewage cassette. Is that what we say, sewage cassette? Can't remember. Waste cassette, whatever the word is, I'm getting tired. That, I think, is a particularly attractive vehicle. Very nice. Very nice, compact vehicle. It's narrow, it's relatively short. Yeah, lots of things going for it. So, well done Rapido for producing that one. And that is my favorite in the compact class for this year. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. And if you did, then you might want to subscribe. And I upload every day at 21:15, and I cover motorhomes and campervans and my journeys in them, as well as some equipment and places I've stayed at. For the moment, thanks for watching. Bye for now.